How to put up shelves. Shelves free up space and conveniently hold items on the walls of your home. Shelves can also be a lovely addition to the room's decor. Because shelves' main task is to hold weight, it's crucial that they be installed correctly. Crooked shelves don't do the job they're meant to do. Worse are shelves that have been put up without knowledge of how the walls are constructed. Use the following steps on how to put up shelves correctly on walls made of drywall. Steps. 1. Decide where you would like to put up the shelves. This is mostly up to personal preference, but factors such as open doors and stud placement should be considered when choosing a location. 2. Find the stud closest to where you want your shelves and mark it with a pencil. A stud is the wood framing that comprises the inner structure of the walls. It's essential to find a stud when putting up shelves because shelves drilled into drywall are not well supported and will collapse. 3. Find the next stud either to the right or left of the one you've already found. Mark it with a pencil. Studs are usually placed every 16 to 24 inches, 40.62 centimeters to 60.96 centimeters apart. Ideally, you want to put up shelves with the incorporation of at least 2 studs. If your shelves are shorter than the distance between 2 studs, you will want to use 1 stud as a center point for your shelves. 4. Hold up one of the brackets to the wall. Decide on the height of the shelves. 5. Make a mark on the wall with your pencil. If you are putting up shelves at more than one height, make sure to make marks for that as well. 6. Place the level lengthwise just above the pencil mark. Draw a straight horizontal line to the next stud. Repeat this step for the shelves at other heights. 7. Line up the fixing hole, the screw hole of the bracket, with the pencil mark on the stud. 8. Drill a 2-inch, 508 centimeters, hole into the stud. Screw the 2-inch, 5.08 centimeters, wood screws in so that the bracket fits tightly. Repeat this step for the other studs and other shelves. Use your level to guarantee the brackets are aligned. 9. Erase your pencil marks. 10. Place your shelves onto the brackets. Adjust to level. 11. Screw the shelves to the brackets. Use 1